626 one.
Where is it?
Yeah, but it's just an engine, I think.
Yeah.
I think it's that engine we saw.
It's in the weeds, Abram. All I can see is the headlight.
I don't see that.
Oh, yeah?
It's 4,626.
Over there.
I don't see him anymore.
Because of Gabe in the way.
Gabe's not in the way.
I can't see it.
Yeah, it's just in a weird
You
spot.
see him yet? You see him still?
I don't even see
Look
it,
like a
Abram.
small engine.
It is just a yard engine moving around.
Yeah, I ain't there anymore.
No?
Okay, cool.